Managing property set data in Civil 3D doesn't have to be a slow, manual process. Meet PSet Excel Tools, the fastest way to bridge the gap between your drawing objects and Microsoft Excel. First, let's set up our project standards. Instead of creating property set definitions one by one, simply build your template in Excel. Click Import PSet Definitions, select your file, and the tool instantly generates the definitions in your drawing with the exact data types you specified. Need to extract data? Click Export Property Values. Just select your objects and click. The app instantly generates a CSV file right next to your drawing. It automatically captures the unique object handles along with all attached property data, ready for you to review. Here's where the magic happens. You can bulk edit your data, run formulas, or fill in missing information using the power of Excel. Save your file, click Import Property Values, and the tool pushes all that data back into Civil 3D. It maps everything perfectly to the right objects, and even safely casts text into the correct AEC data types. Finally, if you need to clean a model before sharing it, the built-in Remove Property Sets tool safely remove all property set data and definitions from the drawing in seconds. Take control of your BIM data today. Download PSet Excel Tools from the Autodesk App Store.